Hello beautiful people. Baking soda is more than just a cake-raising ingredient. It has various health and beauty benefits attributed to it. One of the biggest benefits is that it is known to counter acid reflux, thanks to its alkaline properties. It helps neutralize stomach acids and provides relief from indigestion in adults. Most health experts swear by mixing baking soda with water, which is also a great source of relieving heartburn, of course in limited quantity. This combination has multiple health benefits, which we'll be discussing in this video. To make baking soda water, all you need is half teaspoon of baking soda and a glass of water, which is about 200 milliliters. Mix both the ingredients and drink once in a day. Make sure you're using baking soda and not baking powder, as baking soda is pure sodium bicarbonate, while baking powder has other ingredients added to it. Stay tuned for the top 10 health benefits of drinking baking soda with water. 1. Treats acid reflux. Acid reflux is a condition where there is a backflow of stomach acid in the esophagus. That causes heartburn and a burning sensation in the throat, further leading to acid indigestion. Baking soda water helps neutralize the excessive hydrochloric acid in the stomach, acting as an antacid. 2. Alkalizes the body. Body system works well when there is an optimum pH level balance. However, any imbalance in these levels may lead to severe health conditions. Our body needs acid for proper digestion of food. There are times when acid increases in the body that causes the imbalance, causing diseases like arthritis, osteoporosis and in some cases cancer. Baking soda water comes as a rescuer in balancing and regulating the acid in the body by alkalizing it. 3. May help prevent kidney stones. Iron deficiency, excessive acid and even dehydration in the body can cause the growth of kidney stones. The baking soda water helps alkalize the urine to dissolve the uric acid, which in turn helps to remove kidney stones, further restoring the pH levels of the body. 4. May help save you from urinary tract infection. Poor hygiene, pregnancy or even certain medications may result in developing urinary tract infection. It is the result of bacteria growing easily in the bladder. The antiseptic properties of baking soda help reduce the acid levels in the urine and combat the bacteria. 5. Baking soda water as a digestive cleanser. Baking soda water provides amazing benefits for cleansing your gut, further balancing your pH levels. For all those dealing with digestive issues can easily try drinking this potion. 6. Reduces inflammation. Baking soda helps reduce inflammation that further prevents the development of arthritis that affects mostly joints. It is due to the accumulation of uric acid in the joints. Baking soda helps raise the pH levels to alkalize the blood, preventing deposition in joints. 7. Helps treat cancer. Cancerous tumors tend to be acidic in nature. The pH balancing properties of baking soda increase the pH level of these tumors without affecting healthy tissue and blood. Without the acidic environment, cancer is less able to survive in the body. The balanced pH also gives nutritional and immune system support for those suffering from cancer. 8. Soothes itchy skin. If you have extra baking soda water after drinking it, why not try using on your skin? Baking soda water not only helps balance the pH inside your body but also on the outside. Itchy skin is due to pH changes which are caused by external factors such as allergies, sunburn, and rashes. Use your extra baking soda water as a paste and put it on your itchy skin for instant relief. 9. Whitens teeth. Baking soda is a common ingredient in toothpaste thanks to its ability to remove plaque. Making a solution or paste by adding water to your baking soda can be good for dental health. Either mix baking soda and water and swish it around in your mouth, or use less water to create a paste and leave it on your teeth for a few minutes. Do this a few times a week, and you should notice your teeth are whiter in no time. 10. Eases ulcer pain. Ulcer pain is caused by increased production of stomach acids. While baking soda can't cure your ulcer, it can reduce the pain you may experience alongside it. As ulcer pain is caused by the acidity of stomach acids, neutralizing the acid by drinking baking soda water should relieve the ulcer pain. To conclude, drinking baking soda with water can have numerous health benefits. If you're looking for a simple way to maintain your overall health, or you're looking to treat a specific condition, baking soda water is a low-cost natural solution. Just keep in mind that while baking soda is great for relieving pain, it doesn't help cure the majority of problems. If you find that any of your symptoms persist, it may be wise to see a doctor or make some diet and lifestyle changes. Thanks for watching today's video. If you find this video helpful, give me a big thumbs up. Please, don't forget to comment and subscribe for more videos.